There's really two things that make Techno Metal Post helical piles unique as compared to conventional sonotube concrete footings. First is, especially for contractors, we really simplify your logistics. With a typical concrete sonotube footing, there's 5 or 6 steps involved in getting those footings ready to build on. With our helical piles, it's really simple. You just send us your plans, we email you a proposal that you e-sign, and then mark where you want your footing locations to be, and we come out and install your piles. And that's all there is to it. They're ready to build on. The second thing is, and nobody loves digging, so with our helical piles there is no digging. So what can clients expect? Well, besides obviously precision installation and a quality product, communication. Something that I've learned through the years is communication helps things to keep going right. So sometimes I even feel like I'm over communicating, but just given our success over the past 8 years, it's something that works. So you can definitely expect some good communication. To get started with a helical pile installation project, you can call us, text us, or email us. We come out and install your helical piles. Everything's ready to go. It's just that simple.